I have a dozen pollinated flowers on a purple cayenne pepper plant, but the fruits don't grow out of them like before. They don't drop off, they're just pollinated and nothing happens. Why are my cayenne pepper flowers not developing fruits? Shay Constantine on YouTube. So, they're not developing fruits, and these are cayenne pepper. Right?
Yeah, some great hot peppers.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I would probably tend to kind of look back and think about the general health and productivity of the plant. So we have a self-pollinated pepper, so we're not, going to pollination issues or something like that.
Right.
There can be times when the plant, if it's maybe not in nutritionally great shape, might not be filling out as many fruits. So I would think about things like water, nutrition.
That's the thing I think about.
Health of the plant. If it's in a pot, we may be stressing the plant to the point where it's not filling out all the flowers that it sets.
Okay, but it's interesting. They don't drop off though. That's interesting.
Yeah, I would say that is. I mean, that is a little bit surprising.
Yeah.
Lots of times if the plant is under stress, we will, we'll call it like flower abortion.
Yeah, it just aborts it. Yeah, and just drops it off. So yeah. This whole question, I was like, but they don't drop off. I think that's interesting.
That's in the picture.
Yeah. So we saw a picture. Yeah. Definitely right about that. So yeah, just some maybe, environmental factors like you mentioned before. Temperature is one,
Right.
Because,
well, yeah, and of course when we think about the pepper productivity, they are a very warm season crop, and the hot peppers even more resilient against the warmer conditions. So it's possible that it could also be cool night temperatures.
Yeah, so, and that's what I'm thinking. It has been cool. We don't know, of course, this person is, but it's been a cooler spring into summer.
Yeah.
So
even for us in the Mid-South, it's been cool.
Here.
So potentially in northern regions, and sometimes way too hot or way too cool at night can interfere with pollination as well.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.